Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated process of sending direct messages on WhatsApp, specifically tailored for your Android device. Whether you're reaching out to a friend or connecting with a family member, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, locate and open WhatsApp on your Android device. You'll find that familiar green icon, the gateway to connecting with people across the globe. Now that you're in WhatsApp, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a chat icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your entry point to all your conversations. Next, you'll need to select a contact you wish to message. You can scroll through your list, or, if you prefer a faster approach, utilize the search bar at the top. Just type in the name of the person you want to reach out to, and they'll pop right up. Once you've found your contact, tap on their name. This action will open a chat window where all the magic happens. Now it's time for the fun part, typing your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text box waiting for your words. Whether you have a casual remark or an urgent question, go ahead and type it out. Finally, when you're ready to send your message, look for the paper plane icon right next to the text box. Give it a tap, and just like that, your message is on its way, and there you have it. Simple, right? Now, you can effortlessly send direct messages on WhatsApp and stay connected with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.